Hi guys, I'm with my friend and there's something back here. What? Do you see that? Do you see that? Let me zoom in. Do you see that? What's on me? Maybe it's just a firefly. So yeah, we're just gonna be exploring. Yeah?
Close it.
Action. So yeah.
Should we go back here, chat? Chat, should we go back here?
Yeah. Guys. You have the light on?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, hell no. Oh,
What?
hell no.
What? What's that? What did you see?
I just saw like a deer, but it didn't look quite like a deer.
Yeah, hold up. Let me turn on my flashlight. Alright, what's that? You see that? Maybe that's just a stick. I feel like I'm seeing something. Let's keep on going. What was that noise? Okay. Whoa. Were you doing that? No. Okay. All right. Let's keep going.
Cringe.
Yeah. All right, guys. So.
Oh, hell no. I just saw something.
What?
I'm good.
What's?
I'm good.
All right, guys. Signing off. All right, guys. Hi. So my friend said he's gonna be getting something. I'm in the tent right now.
Oh, damn child, leave this house. The flower, the flower, the flower.